All right, we're going to go over the SC01 performance. All right, here's the scene. We're on a hill. We're looking down. You can see the lights are on. It's dusk. Things are a little dim. And through the scope, with light amplification, here's the scene we get. All right, it's much brighter. It looks like it's daytime. All right, now we're going to go to movie mode, and we'll take it from there at 4x. There's the scene. Very bright, easy to identify the animal. We're going to go 8, 16, and 32. You got a nice little buck there. Okay, going back out. So in summary, this is low light image intensification or low light performance. Now we're going to go to night. This is going to be the infrared sensor. In day mode, I can see nothing. There's the IR sensor without any flashlight. I can see there's something there. Let's turn on half power. See if we can see what's there. Oh, okay, got it. Skunk. All right, let's go full power. All right, so at this range, this is 70 yards. We really didn't need it. We're zooming in. We're at 16 now. He's rooting around in the grasses looking for something. Let's go to 32. And you can definitely see the reflection of that flashlight in his eyes. All right, back out again, zooming out, and there you go. This is the day-night performance of the SC01.